If you're like most people, you lock and unlock your car doors using a wireless fob. One touch to lock, another to unlock. Most fobs also include a button for panic that sounds your car horn and flashes the lights. That same kind of convenience is also available for your home or office security system with our durable, water-resistant alarm system wireless key fob. You can choose a single, double, or 4-button key fob for your system. Each fob comes pre-programmed with the most popular button functions. The LEDs on the fob will blink to provide visual confirmation that your command was transmitted. There are different LED colors and blink rates for each function. You aren't limited to only the functions that are pre-programmed on your fob. You can choose from a list of available functions and assign them to different fob buttons. Tell your system installer what functions you want available on your fob, and he will quickly program your system to your preferences. You don't need to worry about remembering what each button does. Your fob comes with labels indicating each function that you have chosen. Wireless key fobs are one more way that we make your security system simple, fast, and easy to operate.